Hello, this is Peter Bull here from GetInTouchBooks.com. In this video, I want to talk to you about motivation, or what demotivates you most. And oddly enough, the thing that is most demotivating, as my experience and research, having worked with many clients over many years, the most demotivating thing is actually to set goals. Now that might seem totally alien to what you've heard, but surely goal setting is the key to everything. And in a way you're right, but in a way you're not. You see, setting goals is always dealing with the future. Future pacing, we call it. What's going to happen tomorrow? And as you know, tomorrow never arrives. When we get to tomorrow, tomorrow is tomorrow. So it never comes. So being motivated doesn't require goal setting, it requires recording what you've done. In other words, you keep a record, a careful record of everything you've achieved. It doesn't matter how small, it can be something really tiny, but you keep a record of it and you will find you will gain much more than setting goals. So rather than looking at what you haven't done, look at what you already have done. You might have a goal, say, to go for a run, for example, and you didn't do it. But what did you do instead? Was this something you achieved instead? If you write that down and remember that, maybe you went to see a friend, or you did something, you helped somebody in some way, but you didn't go for the run. But record that, because that gives you the motivation to go for the run. This is the strange thing. We try and forget about our past and keep starting every day of our life afresh, as if everything in the past is meaningless. But it's not. We are the sum total of our past, and we can't throw away every morning what we've done in the past on the basis that it might not have worked. We've got to celebrate the past, celebrate what we've achieved. And as we celebrate what we've achieved in the past, it gives us the motivation to go into the future. So finally, I say again, keep a record of what you've achieved and read back what you've achieved and keep reminding yourself of what you've achieved. It doesn't matter how small. That is the biggest motivator. But to set goals for the future, you'll constantly feel you haven't arrived, you haven't achieved it, because as soon as you achieve a goal, you set another one and another one and another one and another one. So you're constantly chasing the ever perfect situation that isn't there. But if you record what you've achieved, it gives you such a sense of satisfaction. So I hope that was useful and it gave you some idea of my thinking on the subject. But I've mentioned this kind of thing in many of my books, in the weight loss book, in the book about anxiety and so forth. So if you're interested in any of my books, GetInTouchBooks.com. Please, you'll find them all on Amazon or on my website, which is obviously GetInTouchBooks.com. Thanks for listening and hope to speak to you soon. Bye.